If your school has the PBAS tracking and rewards module enabled, you are able to use Minga to foster a greater sense of community with your points program. We encourage you to use Minga to reward students for engaging in community activities, such as attending events, and engaging in whole school communications, such as polls and challenges. These put students on an even playing field with equal opportunities to receive points, and not based on which teachers they have and whether some are perhaps more likely to be giving out points than others. Points can be added to events to encourage community participation. When those students check into the events, they receive the points towards their individual score and their team score. This can be whole school events like football games, but also even weekly club meetings. The same goes for responses to challenges and polls on the main feed and within groups. When a student engages and responds, they receive points. We know that students and people in general who are engaged in their community are happier and more successful humans. And that's what we want. We really encourage you to participate in a program like this that rewards students for participation in your community on an even playing field and rewards them for it publicly. We know that for the high school students, the number one motivator is peer recognition. So if it's class versus class or grade versus grade, celebrate them, celebrate your wins by commenting and posting on your Minga feed and really encouraging that group participation in your community. Once again, I encourage you to come along to our training sessions on events and creating content, where we'll talk in much more depth about how you can set up a points program like this and how you can add these points rewards to those activities.